I thought some of you guys might be interested in how much money I made exposing Jake. So you can already see my analytics here, and you can see the last days, how my views developed. Yeah, and here at the beginning of the week, I had 14,000 views. This is something my channel usually got. And then I uploaded the video here. Oh no, Jake, please. Oh, no, sorry. I think one day earlier, I uploaded the first video about this. So it took some time until it got some views, but you can see already 10,000 more, 24,000, 31,000. 57, that was huge, and then bam, 362. Can you see, like, the 62 is even much more than the 14 I had before. Is already like 4 times as much. Only the 62, but then we at the 300,000. So that's crazy. So that's a lot of views in one day. And you can also see it's much, I get much more subscribers also, like 2,000 subscribers in one day here, and it was 33 before. So that's crazy. But you can also see here on the right side, let me see, the views are already going down. So that was like this huge peak, and it's already slowing down. So I mean, that's fine. It was never my intention to blow up. I will share the story again later. Because when I started my first video, I also said, hey, I just prepared my piano tutorial. This is what I usually do on my channel for the song Golden Hour. And then I noticed, hey, Jake didn't play what I played. And then I did some research, and that was very surprising. And that was the result of this video. Okay, so you can see here, revenue is $626. And let me know if you think that's a lot or not. I think so. Making so much money just with videos is incredible. I'm also grateful for this, and so thank you so much for everyone watching and supporting this. So the funny thing is, I make YouTube videos now for 10 years, and I blew up overnight. Okay, just kidding. I thought maybe it's interesting for some of you guys to see this. I know there are some really independent artists here in this audience. Yeah, and maybe making videos, share your opinion with others, can maybe also help promote your music. And of course, earn some money to invest this money back into your music. Subscribe and see you in the next one.